A vertical garden is a brilliant way to add greenery and beauty to your living space. Whether you have a small apartment balcony or a spacious backyard, these DIY vertical garden ideas combine creativity and practicality, allowing you to make the most of your space and showcase your gardening skills. Get ready to transform walls, fences, and even unused corners into lush and vibrant vertical gardens. 1. Pallet planter wall. Upcycle wooden pallets into a stunning planter wall. Arrange the pallets vertically, secure them together, and fill each opening with potting soil. Plant a variety of herbs, succulents, or colorful flowers for a delightful and space-saving garden display. 2. Hanging gutter garden. Repurpose old gutters as individual planters suspended from a wall or fence. Drill drainage holes and fill them with soil. Then plant your favorite trailing plants or cascading flowers for a cascading garden masterpiece. 3. Shoe organizer green wall. Turn a fabric shoe organizer into a vertical green wall by filling each pocket with potting mix and adding small plants or herbs. Hang it against a sunny wall, and you'll have an instant living wall of greenery. 4. Vertical terracotta tower. Stack terracotta pots in a tower formation, securing them with a dowel through the center. Plant different herbs or colorful blooms in each pot for a visually striking and space-efficient garden centerpiece. 5. Picture frame herb garden. Repurpose old picture frames to create an indoor vertical herb garden. Attach chicken wire or mesh at the back of the frame. Fill it with soil and plant your favorite herbs. Hang the frames on the wall for easy access to fresh herbs for your culinary creations. 6. Hanging basket vertical garden. Hang a series of hanging baskets from a sturdy rod or rail to create a cascading vertical garden. Plant vibrant flowers or trailing vines for a visually captivating and space-saving garden display. 7. Living succulent wall art. Craft a living work of art by arranging colorful succulents on a wooden frame or a living wall planter. The drought-tolerant nature of succulents makes them an ideal choice for an eye-catching and low-maintenance vertical garden. 8. Rain gutter planters. Transform rain gutters into a practical and space-saving vertical garden. Attach them to a sunny wall or fence, add drainage holes, and fill them with soil. Plant a variety of herbs or lettuces for an edible and decorative garden. 9. DIY vertical herb pyramid. Construct a tiered herb pyramid using stacked wooden boxes or planters of varying sizes. Plant different herbs in each tier for a visually appealing and convenient vertical herb garden. 10. Repurposed ladder planter. Give an old ladder new life by turning it into a vertical planter. Add shelves or attach planters to the ladder's rungs, creating a charming and versatile garden feature. With these creative and space-efficient DIY vertical garden ideas, you can bring nature's beauty into any corner of your living space. Explore different materials and plant choices to design a unique and thriving vertical garden that suits your style and gardening preferences. Enjoy the satisfaction of creating your own green oasis and witnessing your plants flourish in a truly inspiring and innovative way.